Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to insert pages in Google Sites and how to upload PDFs in Google Sites. If you don't know how to open a website using Google Sites, watch my previous video. I will put the link in description. So let's start the video. This is the sample website I have created. Name my library. So first, for creation of pages, click on pages. Then you can see the plus arrow. Click on new page. So I will name the new page Library Rules and Regulation. Copy that. After clicking see the page is created. Library Rules and Regulation. Now, for adding text, you can choose any layout, or you can directly add text on clicking on the text box. So I will copy paste some rules. So you can see that I have added some rules and regulation of the library. So you can see the preview of your page from clicking there. So you can see the page is created. You can see the home page and the other page, Library Rules and Regulation. So I will I will show you how to upload PDFs. So I will create another page named question paper. So for adding PDF, you have to go to your drive. So for adding PDF, you have to upload the PDF to your Google Drive. Then you have to upload to your website. So first I will go to my drive. So drive is open. I will click on new. I will make a new folder, or I can directly upload the folder which I want to upload. So I will click on new folder. Then I will name question paper. Click on create. So you can see the question paper folder has been created. So I will open the question paper folder. Then I can drag and drop new item, but I will make a subfolder in it. A folder name envelope. Another folder name Billy. So I will add separate folders. So in the previous year question paper folder, I have created two subfolders, basic and mlib. So I will upload the PDF file in it. I will open mlib folder. Then I will select the file which I want to upload, drag and drop. Another way of adding PDFs are click on file upload. Then you can select which you want to upload and see it has started uploading. So see a Word file is uploaded. Like that you can upload other things also. So it will take a little time for uploading. Then I will upload some content in delete folder. It will take a little time to uploading. So you can see the PDF file are uploaded. So now go back to your site. So I want to upload in previous year question paper. Click on that. I will create a subpage for uploading, so it will be easy for the viewer. So add a subpage, template, and done. The same way for VLIP, add a subpage, VLIP. So for inserting the PDF, go to Insert section, Drive. You can see the folder I have created, question paper. I will select that. So you can see I can directly insert the whole folder here, but I will insert one by one. So see, I can select multiple copy at a time to upload. So after clicking on insert, you can see the file is uploading here. So after the file is uploaded, you can see how the file is looking. You can change the arrangement of file however you like that. So the same way I will upload in the other folder, other page I have created, name mlib. So I have opened the page, go to insert, go to Google Drive, can see the folder question paper, mlib, then select the file which you want to upload, click insert. So the file is started uploading here. So after the file is uploaded, you can change the layout of it. So like I want to take it up, so I will hold it, drag it up, and you can see now it's side by side. So this is how you upload PDFs and other files to your Google Site website. Now I will show you the preview of the website I have made. This is the preview of my website. So how it will look to public. So this is the homepage of my website named My Library. So the title, I have put some library timing and services. Then I have created another page named Library Rule and Regulation. So this is how the other pages look like. And I have uploaded some question paper. So by clicking on the degree or subject, whichever you want to create, it will look like it. From this, you can see how your website will look on tablet, and from this icon you can see how your website will look on the mobile phone. So this is how your website will look on any mobile phone device. So this is how you upload files and create pages on Google sites. Thank you.